Arrive in style with this Chrysler 2016 Town & Country Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, Garmin, 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, audio memory, CD player, DVD audio and MP3 decoder. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.